This should have been part of the teardown. I'm going to try to save this Honda sticker off the frame. Got it off. Just a warning. Anybody using heat, which works. This is some kind of metallic material, so this actually gets really hot. I learned that the hard way. Just picked this up from New Era Blasting. Had everything media blasted. They did it in a couple hours. Saves me a heck of a long time. This is bare metal, so I'm gonna have to get some primer on here. Prevent flash rusting, but now I can easily see where will be the body work on the main frame, a couple in the back, nothing else on the frame. Means the swing arm is in actually really good shape. I went ahead and had these blasted, and you can still see actually some of the nickel from the chrome. I've got new headers, but I wanted to see what making these black would look like on the bike when I'm done. These are all fine. There's some issues here. Looks like a couple pinholes. I assume that's from battery acid. I think this is the battery side, pretty sure. Let's see. This actually has some denting. I'll have to hammer out. Otherwise, pretty good. Same with the chain guard. This side is actually not too bad. There's some damage here. We'll have to hammer out. Front fender needs work. So we've got some denting. We've got a crack right here in the tip. I'll have to weld. A little more denting here. A lot of hammer work down here. This has gotten kicked around. So, primer coming up next.